Okay, today is September 19th, 2024, and I am currently at a restaurant here in Amana, Iowa. Me and my family are here in Amana today, and I found these EC units behind the restaurant here, and I thought I'd get a quick video of them. So yeah, here's this Amana unit. It's a Copeland reciprocating compressor. The data, I think, is on the other side. There's data for it. And here's another Amana, which is also running. Right here is a Daikin minisplit, which is not running. Here's data for that. And here's another Amana unit. It's got a reciprocating compressor, not sure what kind. And not sure if it's been running. There's A for that. And then here is this unit, which is a really old unit. Not sure what brand this is. This might not even be an Amana, actually. There's A for that. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.